Namaste everyone. Today we bring you a journey that transcends distances, connecting the heart of tribal villages with our mission Wheels of Hope. In these remote tribal villages, the journey to education is no easy feat. Challenges like distance and lack of access to education cast shadows on young dreams. But today, we are bringing more than cycles, we are delivering instruments of empowerment that will transform lives. These cycles will be more than just mode of transportation. They will be the keys that unlock the journey to knowledge and reducing dropout rates, providing independence to our young students. This association between Flow Group and Lakshya Foundation is a testament to our shared commitment to education, empowerment and transformation. It is remarkable that Flow Group have donated 17 bicycles to these young students through Lakshya Foundation. As we move forward, we envision a future where obstacles are overcome, more children have access to quality education, and partnerships like our continue to make a lasting impact. Lakshya Foundation currently operates in approximately 20 to 25 tribal padas, places so remote that the absence of public transportation is a stark reality. In some villages, sporadic public transport exists, but it is neither regular nor frequent. This presents a formidable challenge for our young students who aspire to pursue further education beyond the 5th grade. You see, their villages host school only up to the 5th grade, and the journey to higher education involves long, arduous walks through challenging forest terrain, and unfortunately, this challenge becomes a barrier leading to school dropout rates. And here is where our mission, Wheels of Hope, steps in. We believe it is an immediate solution, a ray of hope for these young students facing the prospect of dropout. With these bicycles, we intend to turn these challenging journeys into joyous rides, ensuring these students can access higher education without these daunting hurdles. On this meaningful occasion, I, Shirish Patil, compelled to reach out to each one of you. This is not just a campaign, it is an invitation for transformation. Today, I earnestly appeal to all brothers and sisters out there. Join us, support us, donate as much as you can so that Wheels of Hope can extend its reach to hundreds more young tribal students who need bicycles to conquer the long walks toward a brighter future. Let us bring joy and transformation into their lives. Together, we can propel them towards a future filled with promise and possibilities. Your contribution really matters. Join us in scripting stories of change and stories of transformation of India with this little step. A heartfelt thanks to Mr. Arnold Aranna for introducing Lakshya Foundation to Flow Group. Your vision has made this partnership and association possible. Thank you, Flow Group, and each one of you who believes in transforming lives. Together, we are scripting stories of change, one village at a time. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Flow.
Thank you, Flo.
Thank you, Lakshya Foundation.
Thank you, Lakshya Foundation.